Okay, let's talk about finding a vertical asymptote of a logarithmic function. Now, obviously on this function, there's a lot going on, but let's just quickly walk through what each one of these different components, each one of these transformations is doing to the graph. So real quickly, this negative is going to be a vertical reflection. Okay, it's going to flip the graph upside down basically. That does not affect our vertical asymptote though. All right, even if it got flipped upside down, that's okay. It doesn't move the vertical asymptote. That 2, thinking of that as a separate transformation, is going to be a stretch. Again, a stretch is not going to affect our vertical asymptote, right? Even if it gets taller and skinnier, the whole graph, it doesn't move our vertical asymptote. This 5 at the end, let's go ahead and mention that. That's going to move everything up. Now, if that had been subtracting 5, everything gets moved down. But again, vertical asymptote is in the exact same spot. The base here, the 3, that's not a transformation. That's just telling us the base of this logarithmic function. The one thing that is going to affect where our vertical asymptote is moved is any horizontal movement. So what I'm thinking is anything attached directly to x on the inside here, this is going to be a horizontal movement. That's the one we need to really be careful about. So this is going to move everything. It kind of works in the opposite direction we think it should. This is going to move everything to the left 4 units. So let's simplify this down. We don't care about any multiples attached to the entire function. We don't care about any addition or subtraction attached to the entire function. It's only what's on the inside of the function that we care about. So what we want to do, if we're trying to find the vertical asymptote, is simply say whatever's on the inside, when does that equal 0? So we're going to set it equal to 0 and solve down. And this is going to be our vertical asymptote. That's it. Let's try one more real quick. We have 3 plus the natural log of x minus 1. Again, don't care about the 3. The fact that it's a natural log, don't get thrown off by that. Whatever's on the inside, we're going to set that equal to 0 to find our vertical asymptote and solve down. So I'm adding 1 to both sides. We've solved it down. That's where our vertical asymptote is. Don't overcomplicate this. Get down that whatever's on the inside, set it equal to 0, solve it down. You got this.